to BUSD, right? That's what we need right now. All right. Talking about USDC, pretty much a sideways movement, but we do have a little bit of green candles along with with that Luna Classic that I've been talking about. So let me remove all the drawings at the moment. And I do see Luna Classic holding this level and making some sort of a double bottom at the moment, pretty much. So what I'm going to do is actually bring this line right over there, and you do have the double bottom right now. So the bearish scenario that I'm going to talk about is that if you do come down here and lose this level, close under the line, and then you start to fizzle out, then you're going to see USDC actually making deeper correction to the downside as well. At the moment, I do see one resistance coming in that probably has been broken out of. So that's really amazing or not. Yep, you're really trying to break, or you have actually broken out of this level. So actually, that's a break of a trend line. This is amazing. Okay, that's super amazing because I do see this breaking out of a trend line. So you went up, came down, went up, came down. You're actually looking for Luna Classic to make its move back up here to 795 117, whatever you want to say, and that's gonna be amazing. This is about to really take off, isn't it? So you're looking for 120 move to the upside. That can be traded, and I think this is a very low risk at the moment. Oh my goodness, it's also back testing the level. Breakout, you're back testing, you're holding them actually. So I would say put a huge stop loss at 3598. If you put a stop loss here, probably, but I will say better stop loss is maybe down here, but that's going to be a very huge gap. But I do see something amazing coming up for USDC, and we might exploit. And that tells me Luna Classic as well can actually move higher and break to try to move higher as well, because both of these actually make similar move as well. So that's it for this USDC update. Let's go on to the next one, Luna 2.0. Okay, Luna itself.